drink.
You're welcome.
So finally your man is coming home. Babe, I am excited though. I'm really excited, but babe, you really need to keep an eye on him. So he will not go and land you in trouble, my friend.
I'm so excited that he's coming back home after a long time. I can't wait to have you.
Abi, you can't wait for him to handle you in the inner room. And bring out those sweet things that you put in the room. Babe, I can't even hide my joy. Like, I'm super happy. Oh my God. Babe, I better start going now. I have an urgent meeting to attend to. You know now, working class baby girl. After the morning. See, I would have taken this drink along, but let me maintain my steez. Get up, my girl. Come and give me a hug.
I'll go make it me.
Look at you. See the way you're just blushing because of man. Get up and give me a hug, Joe.
I
love you, my girl.
I'm gonna miss you now.
Give me gist, oh.
Trust me now.
I'll call you later.
I will gist you.
Hello? Your man is back from America. My love, are you there? Hello? Is anybody at home? Hello, my priceless.
You see Bantin Kedo. Girl, now you be my medicine.
How do you do?
Now you be my medicine. My girl, anytime I done the ring, you dey turn my body to steam. Baby girl, you sweet past dream. Your touch they reset my system. I dey craze for your brown eyes. Steady highway, I no fit hide. You dey cool all the noise from my mind. One kiss, everything align. Yeah, now you be my medicine. When I dey fall, you dey make me sing. Only your love it cure my pain. Now you again. Yeah, now you be my medicine. Should overdose.
Yes, where are you? I'm at the place. Oh, you are around? Okay. Come inside the car. How you doing?
I don't box.
You're welcome.
I play to box.
You're welcome. Oh, is this the money?
Yes.
Is it complete?
6 box.
Okay. Right, come inside. Alright, here's the goods. Anyway, let me check the cash. Hold on.
Yes, box.
My brother, nice doing business
We'll
with you.
take them again, we'll talk.
Okay, nice doing business with you.
Nice one box.
I'll see you next time.
Okay, box.
Thank you. Hello, Black Tiger.
Bossman, hi Bossman. I hear the bird whispering. That means you are in the city. You are.
Yes, I'm in town, Black Tiger. What is going on in town?
Boss, nothing much since you left us. We are being on a low key.
Black Tiger, we have to hold a serious meeting because I find out that nothing is going on with our crew. And also find out that the wicked politicians are extorting everybody.
Don't shake it, bros. I will do that as soon as possible.
Mobilize our Let's meet tomorrow at our camp.
Okay, boss.
Not your man. Oh no, oh
Sergio on the bed.
oh Lord, don't bless me, yeah. Everything I lay my
This can't
hands
go
on.
on. The kingdom is falling. It was not like this before. Things are so expensive. No good road, no drinking water, no medical care. Black Dagger, what's going on?
Boss, you see that politician? They are escorting everyone and take away everything.
Boss,
Talk to me.
you know that same hospital. My brother died 3 days ago. And that same hospital, just because I didn't even hear say nothing did the hospital. Equipment no dey. The worst part, they couldn't even tell me say the hospital dey on strike.
Imagine.
I'm a para.
Imagine.
I don't get job.
It's okay, my brother. It's okay. I'm the para, boss man. I'm the para. I under me. Make a clear.
Boss, are the para. What did they play now? They keep virgin girls, they make money. They make billions. But what's the para?
Every one of us listen. That can work. And I'm not going to let them walk. I am Robin Hood. We are going to take everything, every single thing from them and distribute it within the community. Yes!
Yes.
If they sell powder weed, we will take it. If they sell cocoa, we will take it. If they sell good, we will take it. Whatever they have going on and extorting business people, we will take it. Yes, we will take it. We are not here for play at all. Because I've been out for years. They think they can enslave my people. Now that I'm back, let's take everything. I ain't come to play. What do you think?
Boss, let's take over all.
Yeah. Iboka diki boko. Iboka diki boko. Yeah. Iboka diki boko. Iboka diki boko. See, build your confidence in anything you do. Don't fear your opponents. Not condemn the boo. Nothing is permanent. On the earth, one day your song will say.
Prince, you know that rude boy Dan just fly in here from America.
Yes, I am aware. That guy is very dangerous.
Prince, listen. I know they will try to take away food from us.
What?
From the street. Those guys are no normal.
What? Right now, I feel a kind of shaking because I know who he is.
So Prince, get yourself up and watch that boy because I'm going to make his life miserable. I swear.
Yes, we are going to deal with him. And he will regret that he was never deported back to Africa.
Yes.
Me personal, I will deal with that. Just imagine. And look, we have to do something very fast. We have to wipe them off the streets before they will take what belongs to us. This is time to wipe them off. True.
It can happen.
Yes.
I don't want them to expose us. We have to be very, very careful, man. We have to be very, very careful.
Yes! We are going to make it impossible for them.
You're right. The prince, now that we know this guy's plan, we have to eliminate him with his crew right away.
Now listen, I do not care what will happen and how we are going to do it. All I know, let's take them off the streets!
Black Panther. Black Dragon. Black Tiger. With this, no amount of bullets is going to penetrate you. See, sir. Yes, sir. With this, no amount of bullets is going to penetrate you. See, sir. With this, no amount of bullets is going to penetrate you. See, sir. Hold up. Are you ready? At this moment, I have to start a new operation called Robin Hood. We are the Robin Hood. We have to shut them down completely. Okay? Because I heard that so many people have gone missing. What they do is organ harvesting. Let's go lay an ambush on them across the forest. If any of their vehicle carrying public extortion, we will take it back to the community. Am I correct?
See this one, they look.
Africa with destiny. That is really born to set we free. Get the key, baby, like a ruby. One voice, my son, bright universally. Better than the world and inequality.
Go, check. Open, what's that? Go check it. Nari, boss. Go. Take it. Let's go.
Because of you, I'm ready to fight kung fu. Fight God, kill God, trying to take me for fool. Nobody can tell me anything. I don't even want to hear anything. Me ain't with nothing for one night thing. Even like they say, we nothing one piece. The kind of things they will bring us now. Skinner me task rest, every last one. I'm a treat to right, every young big line. Take my hand, baby. Let me teach you. You want my express. You lean on my shoulder. Take my hand, baby. Take my hand, baby. You want my express. You lean on my shoulder. You don't like me. Me ain't get nothing for one night thing. Even if it's selling nothing wrong things. The kind of things they will bring us out. It'll be tax rest, baby, let's run. I'm a treat to right every day and night. Give me your midnight.
Who is this girl? Her music is super mad, dude.
She too sweet. Boss! See the fake lawyer and the politician, they are there, they are looking at us. So.
Don't worry about them, man. They can't do nothing.
They feel the song boss.
Black Tiger. I'm interested in that girl. I like how she sings. Go and get her for me.
No shaking, boss.
Spending it with you won't be a problem. I'm your woman. I like that song, babes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What's up?
I'm good.
My boss over there wants to see you.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. Okay, I'm coming up.
Alright.
Is she coming?
Yes, she's coming, sir. She's coming, boss.
Oh. Here she is. Come. How are you? Okay. Fine here. What's your name?
My name is Ruth, sir.
I must confess, I love the way you deliver your music. I love the way you perform. And I do love to offer you a contract.
Really?
Yes. Yes. I want to. Matter of fact, I love you. It's not just about the music, baby. There's something about you that gravitates to me.
I'm sorry. But I'm a married woman.
Don't worry yourself, my dear. Everything good.
Okay. Let me give you my number and you give me your number. And then I'll set up a date for me and you can meet at the recording studio.
Yeah, that is good. Because I do like to take your music to the next level, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Okay. By the way, who is your husband? The lawyer Prince?
Yes, Prince is my husband.
Oh. Don't tell him straight about what you are doing. Because you see your husband there, he's not straight.
Really?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
In time, you will know. He will be exposed. But right now, I want to take your music to the next level.
Okay, alright.
Alright, call your number for me.
Okay. 081
Uh-huh.
2255
Okay.
9161.
Oh, alright. Okay. I'll call you tomorrow morning.
Alright, I'll be expecting your call.
God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Beautiful girl.
Tell me to calm down.
Calm down. Calm down. You get why? You get why they told you?
Just go the wrong way.
No. Calm down. See, I get plan.
Hi.
And why are you so happy? And where are you coming from?
Love, imagine, it looks like things is going to work out for me in this music industry. Like, I'm so excited.
But I think I'm helping you out in your music career.
Don't worry, love. You see, let's take advantage. Dan has the right connections. He has everything and he has anything and everything we need to promote my music out there.
Dan. And you know I don't like that man. I don't like him.
Can you calm down, please?
No, I don't like him. Mama, do you like him?
Babe, hold on a minute. Let me talk some sense into your husband.
Thank you, please. You see my husband here? He's so jealous.
Prince, I hope you understand. Let him help to elevate your wife's music career, because I know you don't depend on that. Prince, listen, we are in different level. We deal with fast cash, organ harvesting, extortion and everything. At the same time, we are going to use Ruth as a plan so that she can tell us their secret. And then we will eliminate the whole crew. Prince, think about what I'm telling you.
Wow. You know, you politicians are really corrupt in brain. I will go with your plan. My wife will go there and know she will go and come back and know their movement. So that she will come and tell us the time they move and when they gather so that we can strike them. Yes.
Wow.
You are really right.
Wow.
I love that.
Ijia.
Iboka diki boko. Iboka diki boko ya. Iboka diki boko. Iboka diki boko. See, build your confidence.
I almost forgot, like seriously.
You.
My girl, you're looking so fine.
And you too, you're looking good too.
Thank you, baby girl.
Sunny baby.
Yes, my love.
You won't believe this.
Talk to me.
Okay, where should I start? Okay. I met someone.
Really?
Yeah. I met Dan.
Dan?
Yes, he's a musical producer.
That name sounds so sexy.
You can say that again. He's a musical producer.
Okay.
And he's also a bad boy, you know.
I love the bad boy parts. Like,
I know, you're a bad girl.
Trust me now.
Anyways, you know, he's also a bad boy because he has all the crew around him.
Wow.
Guess what?
What?
You won't believe it.
I like G.
Okay, I was offered a music contract.
Wow. That's very good, my friend.
Yes, you can say that again.
My dear, it's time for you to get a breakthrough. Like, seriously.
Are you the one telling me this?
Let's cheers to that. Oh my God.
Cheers. Sunny, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Let this be between us, okay? You have to keep quiet about this.
You know your girl now.
Promise
Stop.
me.
You can count on me anytime, any day. You know.
Of course.
I'm your babe now. Babe for life.
Cheers. Sandra.
Yes, ma'am.
To be quite honest, I'm attracted to Dan.
Are you for real? Like, seriously?
You know, there's something about this man that has my head spinning. I feel this strong energy and chemistry with this man.
You know, my friend, that man is a married man. And his wife, I know her very, very, very well. You better have something you are really backing on.
I don't have business about that.
Wow.
But there's something about him. And if he can elevate my music career by any means necessary, then I'm good to go, baby.
Alright, my darling. Well, I wish you well. Barman, please bring us more drinks.
More drinks!
We really need to celebrate. Like,
yeah! I'm gonna be a blonde girl, right?
Superstar. I'm a friend of a superstar.
Yes! You're funny. I miss you, girl.
I miss you too. But you left me now. It's not nice.
Don't worry, I'm back for you.
Alright, I'm rooting for you, okay? I wish you will. Don't worry.
Mama, where are you?
Like, seriously.
Hello, Sandra.
Hello, Paulette.
How you doing?
I'm fine. See, babe, I have something very important to talk to you about. I have this friend. We are close, but we are not that close like the way we are because we're in the same camp. Yeah, so the way she talked to me today is like she wants your man.
Well, if you think that she's bad, I will let her know that I'm badder. I, Paulette, will let her know that I'm a rude boy wife.
I don't want to start, and if I tell you something, please do not let anybody know. Not even your husband. Just watch and observe how your husband will operate. And Ruth will be going to the studio today, and she will be spending a lot of quality time with your husband. And the way she spoke to me today, see, it's like as if she really, really wants your man. So you really need to act fast.
Don't worry yourself. Just wait. I'm coming to your house.
Check if Ruth, my friend, is around.
Bunny girl. Hey, Bunny baby.
Ruth, my friend. It has been a very long time I heard from you. What is happening?
Nothing much. It's just that a lot has been going on, but I can't talk about it on phone. I have to see you, then I'll tell you what is going on.
Okay. I'm coming inside. I'm just at your doorstep.
Alright, come in. Hey, Bunny, my very good friend. You're welcome. Sorry, I don't have anything to offer you now, but I have a good news for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Ishing.
Bunny, I know you're my very good friend, and you'll be happy for me.
Well, talk to your girl. I got her back.
Okay, it's like this. I met a producer. Yeah, and I know he was staying in America, but something happened and he was deported back to Nigeria.
What is his name?
Dan. Why are you laughing?
That man, he's nobody to play with. You better be careful. You know I love you so much. But what else do you have to tell me, my friend?
But he offered me a music contract.
But that is good. I heard he's good in music thing. And your music is going to spray out there. Congrats, my love. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. But guess what?
What?
I just have this burning desire for him. I don't know what it is.
Listen, Ruth. Stop right there. You're a married woman. Hope you know that. Prince is a big lawyer. He has a big name here in the town. He's not going to take it easy with you. Or is he not doing enough for you?
But I felt there is something missing in my marriage. And I just want to have a little fun. And I feel the more I'm closer to Dan, the more my music career will be elevated.
My friend, you might have a point. Have you slept with him?
Not yet, but very soon.
You know what, my love? I'm very happy for you. Everything. I'm so happy. But you know what? You have to be careful. Very, very careful.
Okay.
Because you know you are married. I have to go now.
Alright.
I'll see you some other time. I have a meeting with someone.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, my friend. Take care.
Foxy. What is going on? Oh my God, no, I want Tagon! Pay me! It pay me! I told you. Good evening, good. Good evening. No! They have killed all of our boys. Took away everything! Took away everything! Babe! You think you and I are bad? What? What's she talking about? Do you know them?
Wait. Let me tell you something for the record. You think because we are having sex, because I'm fucking my best friend husband,
What did you talk about, fuck?
guess what? I'm just coming from the meeting I had with your wife Ruth. And all she was busy talking about was Dan, music, and every other thing. She never mentioned you. And now she's sensually having feeling for him. She wants to give him the good, the need soon, when everybody is out there thinking that you and I are the bad one. They don't know that your wife, Ruth, is not an angel. She is fucking bad. I'm telling you, if she has a way, she will sleep with them and you will lose your wife, Rose. Yes.
What are you talking about? Prince, listen. We have to destroy that idiot of a boy before he takes over your wife. You see that boy? I don't like him. We have to eliminate him. Anyway, we are working on it.
I will make sure we get them down.
That's true.
What? Boy, come. See, let's be serious here. Do you have some beautiful girls, one or two, who have to use them for work?
Yes, I have a lot of sexy, good body girls. They are in down, up and down, and they listen to me and do whatsoever I tell them to do.
Yes, you are right. Yes. So they can use it to entice men at the club and make me money. But don't you think we kill them and sell their organs for money?
Wow. What a brilliant idea. I never really think about it that way. What do you think?
That means you have to act fast. Listen, money. You have to tell them we are inviting them for modeling.
Yes.
Listen. There is no time. There is no time. We have to act fast.
Well, am I wicked? Well, I'm very, very wicked, sir. Babe, you know me so well. I'm a bad bitch. And I can do anything for the money.
Yes.
We want for the money.
Yes. That's why you are my partner in crime. Listen, you need to act fast.
For the money. But listen, babe. Before we kill those girls, let us make use of them. I have a plan, a good one for that reason. We are going to use them as the lady of the night. About 3 of them. And then we'll take them down. Because they need the money and we need their organs. I know that Dan and his crew always have a night with them. So I will talk to them. I have some guests at the night to make them to feel good and bring in the girls of the night and make them feel very, very comfortable and relaxed. When they feel comfortable, under the liquor, when we can wipe them out, those guys are very, very dangerous. We need to be careful.
Wow, what a brilliant idea.
Very, very.
Yes, I support that move. Let's begin immediately.
Yes, you are right.
Immediately.
Babe,
wow.
I have to call one of the lady of the night. You know, we don't have time. So let me just make the call.
Yes, put them to call.
Call them.
Listen, this is what we want.
Exactly.
This is what we want.
Exactly.
We need fast action.
Exactly.
Hello, Madam Tessie. Listen, I have a job for you guys.
Okay.
It may not be now, but in the near future. I want you to feel comfortable with wiping out a very dangerous crew for me. They are very, very dangerous. But their weakness is women. You need to use what you guys have to bring them down. And that is where you people comes in.
Okay, Bonnie. Anything for you, baby girl. As long as money is involved, I got your back.
Okay, Madam Tessie. I'll get back to you once the time comes. Why for now? Take care.
Wow,
Babe,
that was great.
I've spoken to one of the ladies.
Yes.
And she has accepted. It's just for us to tell them the time and venue.
So what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for?
Let's celebrate.
But I need to call them. Very, very important. You know that is the main point.
Okay, do that. Do that immediately. do that.
You know, sometimes I ask myself, who is this lady? She's too brilliant.
Hello, Don.
Hi, buddy. How are you?
I want to celebrate. I want to do something special for my friend Ruth. We want to celebrate our friendship anniversary. And I want her to have the ladies of the night and to make you and your crew feel right and have some fun with the girls.
Well, it's a nice offer. I will accept it. Bonnie, you know what? You are something else. But it's alright. I love the way you operate. Bring the girls for my crew. Let them enjoy themselves. Because they work so hard for me on the street. They deserve some company and some fun. Yes, they deserve it.
Okay, I will drop updates with you, the date and the venue. Later we'll talk. Bye for now. We got it, we got it, we got it.
Wow.
I'm the master of the game. Call me the master of the game.
You know, this is time for celebration.
Yes.
What do you think?
We got to go inside. I need to give you a very good massage. You know, to celebrate. You have to excuse I am my babe.
Listen, do you know what? For this, it will be a very good night. Trust me.
I really miss that.
Trust you.
Oh, you know I love it when you go down on me. Hope you're not jealous.
Okay, now this thing. There's no time for this.
Okay.
Now, we have everything in order.
Yeah.
Look at the time.
That's true.
Now, let's work hard. Immediately move. Let's move.
Yeah, let him go. Let him go. You say, you say, baby, chill over, make a cool over, make it up, you like wherever, whenever. We go center, carpenter, go, baby, forever. Chill over, make a cool over, make it up, me like wherever, whenever. We go center, carpenter, go, baby, forever. Long time no see my fantasy, the shining face me I want to see. In a long time, long time. Take me to overseas, show me your one machine. Everybody never know, say everybody never know. The people that I say but don't like me, I know. Me I know, me I know. I can get your mouth with them talk, me I know. Me I know, me I know. Don't take your time, me I know. Me I know, me I know. Everything will be fine, say you know, Baby, chill over, make a cool over, make it up, me like wherever, whenever. Knock me for center, carpenter, go, baby, forever. Chill over, make a cool over, make it up, me like wherever, whenever. Knock me for center, carpenter, go, baby, forever.
Yeah.
Bravo!
Wow.
You killed the beat.
I did
must
well,
confess.
right?
Babe, listen. It's not just all about your music career alone. There's something special about you. I think I have to protect you against your husband.
My husband. Babe, what's really going on? I'm concerned because you keep mentioning my husband.
Babe, listen. I'm into you. And I have to protect you at all costs. Okay?
Talk to me, Dan. I don't really understand you.
You don't understand? Listen, your husband and his friend, the politicians, are wicked people. They are evil. Have you ever imagined how they make their money? He will never tell you the truth. Believe me.
Oh my God.
Okay. Since you want to hear, listen and let me tell you how your husband makes his money. Drug, coke, weeds, organ harvesting. That's what they do for a living. Believe me.
What?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, Dan, I can't take it. I can't take this.
I knew you wouldn't believe me, but that's how he make his money.
What? No, Dan. This can't be true. No, Dan, I can't take it.
Listen, Ruth, believe me. I have my people. We are investigating him and his friend. They are extorting schools. They are extorting churches. They extort the women in the streets. They kill them. They sell their organs for millions of dollars. Believe me.
For you?
Yes. That's what they do for a living. Killing virgins. Killing innocent people. Harvesting their organs. Destroying them.
No. Dan, please. Don't say no more. My God.
You better believe me. I'm the Odogu. I'm the real man. My love for you is for real. He has no feelings for you. He's a wicked man. Believe me, I will take good care of you. I will never let you down. I promise you that I'm going to take your music to the next level. Okay?
This is so much. This is too much for me to bear. This is too much. This is not true. My husband.
Of course.
Harvesting organs?
Yes, that's what they do for a living. That's what they do for the living. Killing people. Destroying innocent people. Extorting from the communities.
No, man. This is too much. This is too much. I can't bear this.
Forget about him. I love you.
But
Forget him.
You know what? I believe you.
Thank you.
That my useless husband wants to kill me. Oh, God.
Thank you for believing
But
me. Ruth, you don't even know who you're married to. You don't know who you get married to. That man is evil. I know it's hard to digest, but believe me, I will never lie to you.
Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh my good Lord God. Who did I marry to?
Don't worry. I just want you to play cool. If he dare ask you anything about me and my crew, tell him you don't know anything about us, okay?
Okay.
Good. You have to play along with me. As long as you remain loyal, baby, you're going to get the fucking top. Okay?
Okay.
Because you are now my woman. As I can't help myself about you.
I can't help myself about you too.
Ruth, listen to me very carefully. I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Because you are now my woman, okay? You see your husband. He and his friend, they plan to eliminate you and say you're okay.
Jesus.
Yes. Yes.
Really? What do I do? What do I do now? I need to run away. What do I do?
Don't worry.
I need to run away. I don't want to die. God.
Covered. I need to protect you, okay? That's me. I tell you without apology. Okay? But listen, you are not part of my team. You are not part of my crew. Okay? But before I will make that happen, I need to make sure that I kill that idiot.
My husband?
Yes, we need to kill him. Then we can make your insurance. We can make your insurance policies to start up on the scratch. Okay? See, we will give you the money for the insurance policies. We will make sure we pay you, okay? At least $50 million. That will cover everything, okay? And we want you popular out there, okay? We'll make sure everything is okay with you, okay?
Mom, this is so much for me to bear. But you know what? I believe you. That my useless husband want to kill me and sell my organs.
Yes.
But he will never succeed.
Good. Good. He will never succeed. At all. Ruth, you know what? Before you leave here tonight, what you need to know, you see that your bitch friend called Bonnie, she will die with him. She's fucking right, left and center. From Monday to Sunday. Fucking your husband.
What? No, Dan, I can't bear this no more. My ears is filled up.
It's not a gossip. I'm telling you the facts. Believe me.
Tony, my friend.
I would never lie to you.
Oh, God. No, Dan, I can't bear this no more. My ears is filled up.
You don't feel guilty. They are plotting against you and I am plotting against them. Okay? They can't kill you. Before they will plan to kill you, I will kill them. Believe me. Okay?
Yes.
I'm the master of this game. Believe me.
What would I have done without you, Mike?
It's okay. It's okay. I love you. Okay.
Take my heart to baby. Yeah, come in. Oh, baby girl. Welcome. Alright, have a seat. What happened? What brought you here?
I'm coming. I want to use your bedroom.
Alright, okay. Alright.
Let me call Prince first. I don't know what is happening.
Hello.
Prince!
How are you, Bonnie?
Did you take out the life insurance on her? Because we need to feed her as she's standing on my way. You are my man. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. So if she's still in the picture, you have to take out that life insurance out and kill her.
Yes. Tonight, this thing, we are going to wipe them all and sell their organs for money. This is time for us to make billions.
Exactly. I know that she will turn up the gang and the crew because she's not part of the crew. She thinks I'm fucking idiot. We will get all of them done at once. We are not going to miss out in anyone. Me and you must be together forever because you are my honey. You are my life. What you feel like. Well, I'll talk to you later. But for now, I need to go in.
Okay, let me get off the phone. Let me call back up for this. This is good news. We'll be there tonight. All right. Thank you. Let me call back.
Wow. Who did I marry to?
is calling me. Let me know why he's calling me.
Hello, Bonnie. How are you doing? Okay. Meet me with the ladies of the night tonight. We are going to do it tonight. And what time do you plan to do it in the evening?
Yes, in the evening.
Listen, Bonnie. Make sure you come with those sexy ladies because we have a lot to do tonight.
What are you celebrating?
We are celebrating root music. The Americans love the music and they want to put it on the charts. So we are celebrating with the crew. Make sure you come tonight. Matter of fact, make sure you tell Ruth's husband and his friend, politician, because we are making it a surprise to her. My glad.
Wow, you have really done well for her. This is good. It's something to celebrate. I'll see you there.
Prince, this is time to make money. But you have to sign a contract. In case if anything happens while your wife is in America, you don't lose her royalty as her husband. You need to sign it.
Sign up?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Bring the contract and we'll sign.
Stacy! Stacy!
Sir?
Bring those documents here. The prince wants to sign immediately.
Alright, sir.
Very, very good. You have to sign this thing right.
Are you sure of this?
Yes.
What is happening? Prince! What is happening here? You killed Prince? You killed Prince?
Me? How? When? How? Which time?
Prince, wake up! Wake up! Why did you do this?
How?
He was your best friend! best friend that was fucking my husband. You think I didn't hear you in the bathroom? About life insurance? To take me out and sell my organs? You pussy girl. Hey!
As for you,
Dan is coming.
You are a wicked man. You are the brain behind all these things. And I know that you don't like me. Somebody make him quote Psalm 23.
Never. Don't worry. He knows how to quote it. Are you not the lost child?
Dead bodies.
Quote Psalm 23.
Look at them.
The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie in green pasture. Even though I walk through the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil.
Black Tiger!
I shall fear
Boss!
no evil.
Guys!
Idiots.
Remove their bodies.
Never you rest in peace!
Exactly him and her.
Oh, Papa.
Idiots.
Yeah, let him go. Let him go. You say we should let it go. Let him go. It's not from me. It is from you. Let him go.
It's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, that's groovy. Flashing lights. All these things come to me. Dressing price. All my rings got weight to it. You feel that? You feel that?